beach is the second longest urban beach in the world.
Andhra Pradesh was separated on June 2, 2014 to form the state of Telangana. The state has one of the largest railway junctions at Vijayawada.
Karnataka is famous for its coffee plantation and is a leading producer of coffee in India. Telangana has a rich history with ancient temples and forts, including the famous Golconda Fort and Vadangal Fort. Vanakkam, my name is Sharvin. In Tamil Nadu, we speak Tamil. Our current chief minister is M.K. Stalin. The state bird is the emerald dove, known for its vibrant green feathers. The state animal is the Nilgiri tahr, a type of mountain goat. The capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The state flower is the lily. It's a striking red and yellow petals. The state tree is the palm tree, often seen in the rural landscapes. The state fruit is the jackfruit, known for its large size and sweet taste. Thank you. Namaskaram. In Kerala, we speak Malayalam. The Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. The state bird is great hornbill, which has curved beak. The state animal is Indian elephant, which is often seen in temples. The capital city is Thiruvananthapuram. The state's flower is Kanikona with bright yellow blooms. The state tree is coconut tree, which is very common in Kerala. The state fruit is jackfruit, which is large and sweet. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Arvin Aron. In Andhra Pradesh, we speak Telugu. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is N. Chandrababu Naidu. Amaravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. The state bird is the rose-winged parakeet. The state animal is the black buck, a graceful antelope. The state tree is the neem tree, known for its medicinal properties. The state flower is jasmine, which have lovely fragrance. The state fruit is the mango, which is sweet and juicy. Thank you. Namaskara. My name is Gaushik in Karnataka. We speak Kannada. The Chief Minister of Karnataka is Siddharamaiah. This state bird is Indian roller, known for its vibrant blue color. This state animal is Indian elephant, which is also a cultural symbol. The capital city is Bengaluru, which is also known as the Silicon Valley of India. The state flower is lotus, which is beautiful and serene. The state tree is sandal tree, which is famous for fragrant wood. The state fruit is mango, popular for sweetness. Thank you.
Today is our Pongal, our harvest festival. Let's prepare a special dish Pongal.
Here are the ingredients. The rice and the milk will boil over to signify abundance.
I help mom to put beautiful column at the entrance.
And I get sugar cane for everyone to enjoy.
Family gathers around a pot, chanting Pongalo Pongal as the milk boils over.
The Pongal is ready. Let's offer it to the sun god and then enjoy it together.
Today is Onam, the harvest festival of Kerala. Let's make a beautiful Pongalam with these flowers.
I help you, mother. The poo column looks so colorful.
I'll prepare the Onam Sadhya, the special feast with many dishes.
I cannot wait to eat the delicious payasam and other treats.
prepare the special Bonalu dishes and the prasadam. I will help to decorate the colors with turmeric and vermilion. I can't wait to join the procession to the temple with Bonalu pots.
Tandana tandane, danadana tandane. Tandana tandane, danadana tandane. Tandana tandane, danadana tandane.
Let's offer our prayers and enjoy the festival with gratitude and joy. Today's Ugadi, our new year. Let's make the specialist Ugadi Pachadi with all 6 stages of life.
I'll hang the mangal is at the entrance for good luck.
I will gather the ingredients: turmeric, jaggery, neem, flour, salt and green chilli. Ugadi Pachadi is ready. It is so delicious. Let's enjoy the festival and look forward to a prosperous and happy New Year. Famous Kerala food are puttu kadala curry, palam puri, aviar kadimil pochadu is to thank you. Some delicious and spicy Andhra Pradesh food are panasa pandu koora, gongara chutney, akura pappu, pooranam purilu, Hyderabadi biryani. Famous food items of Tenana, Seta, Michi Badi, Sava Bindi, Baji Bulsu, thank you. Famous food item of Karnataka are Besibelabad, Mysore Bonda, Neer Dosha, all by vegetable sagu, thank you. Historical figures from South India. Let's welcome a model.
Tanaka dinna tata, tanaka jam tam, 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 tarikita jam, takka jam, tarikita 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 jam.
ദിഗതേതേതോ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളി തെറ്റിത്താരേത് കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം
ಮುತ್ತುಗಾರೆ ಯಶೋದ ಮುಂಗಿಟಿ ಬುತ್ತೆ ಮೂವಿಡು ತಿತ್ತರಾನಿ ಮಹಿಮಲ ದೇವಕೀ ಸುತುಡು ಮುತ್ತುಗಾರೆ ಯಶೋದ ಮುಂಗಿಟಿ ಬುತ್ತೆ ಮೂವಿಡು ತಿತ್ತರಾನಿ ಮಹಿಮಲ ದೇವಕೀ ಸುತುಡು